Guys, RTT back here for the video, guys. Today, we're doing another launcher review, and this is actually with the Google Pixel Fold. Now, of course, this launcher review is going to be a launcher we just looked at on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 about a week ago, and that, of course, was, let me put in my password here, that was, of course, Square Launcher for the from the Google Play Store. I don't know why I said for. It's for Android technically, but it's from the Google Play Store. And as you guys know on this channel, if you've been watching this channel for a little bit of time, I absolutely adore / love Launcher 10. It's one of my favorite launchers of all time. I will never go away from it. It will always be one of my favorite launchers. But I've been trying to kind of find a new launcher because Launcher 10 is almost to a point broken on the Z Fold 5 and the Google Pixel Fold. It glitches out, messes up, and I need a new launcher. So a lot of people have been recommending Square Launcher. And I will say, on the outside here, Square Launcher looks absolutely gorgeous on this phone, on the Google Pixel Fold. But a lot of reasons why is because this outside display is a Candy Bar S cell phone. If we compare it real fast to, for example, an iPhone, you could see that, yes, both of these phones are very similar size-wise on the outside display, and that's why this outside display looks so amazing. I mean, it does everything you need. And if you have not seen Square Launcher yet, it's kind of like Launcher 10, but it's a little bit more enhanced. What I mean by that is, just like Launcher 10, you can go ahead and resize applications from small, wide, large, and custom. I can make it small, and I can do exactly what I can do on Launcher 10, which is awesome. I can delete applications, add applications. You know, I can do pretty much the whole 9 yards with this outside, right? I can go into more options, and that gives me behavior and UI, live tiles, tile size and style, icon style, app drawer, contacts, key and gestures, like everything, right? You can really customize this. Now, my problem with Square Launcher for the Z Fold 5 was when I opened it up in tablet mode. That's when it really wasn't doing a good job. And the reason why with the Z Fold 5 was because the fact that, you know, you had to go into tablet mode, turn off tablet mode for it to work, and it didn't rotate. Well, doesn't rotate on the outside display on the Google Pixel Fold, but here's what it looks like. Oh my, I'm gonna drop my phone. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Yeah, it does rotate. I will give it credit. When it rotated, it looks okay and serviceable. It doesn't look that bad once you rotate it. You can do all your typical stuff, but you have to have it in a vertical orientation. If you have it in a horizontal one, this is what you're going to get every single time. Now, you might say, well, what about, and by the way, look at this. You can scroll over. You can click on applications and do stuff, but you cannot scroll over. Well, you say, well, okay, well, what if you do what you did before and put it in tablet mode, right? So let's go to behaviors and UI, and there is a setting for tablet mode. This is for obviously bigger screens and devices. Keep in mind, although this, yes, there is a tablet mode, this is not fully customized for tablet phones yet, or tablet type devices. And again, it says tablet mode for a tablet, not a foldable phone. But if I click on that, right, I could say yes, confirm, and it looks, I mean, it's actually usable in this orientation, okay? It's actually usable in this orientation, and it's the same in this orientation. It's actually, honestly, probably a lot better in this orientation. Again, if you use it in vertical orientation always, there's no problem at all. The reason why I don't like using vertical orientation on the Google Pixel Fold is main reason why is because the fact that it does not go 180. It only goes like 160, 170. And that's why I hate using it in vertical orientation, because unlike the Z Fold 5, which if I pull out right here, you can see, let me go ahead and open this up. This goes 180 degrees every single time. And I'm going to try to hold these up. Hopefully the camera can focus here. Is that it's not 100% 180 on the Google Pixel Fold. It's only on the Z Fold 5. And that's my big problem with ever using this phone in a vertical orientation like this, is it does not look good. It does not feel good. I don't care about looks. I care about feel. It's weird. It feels like this one is always straight back against my hand, and then this one, it always feels like it's like going forward like this. Like I feel like I'm holding it like this whenever I hold it in vertical orientation. So I like to, again, hold it in horizontal because it feels a little bit better when I do that. But you cannot use Square Launcher in horizontal aspect unless you turn on tablet mode. But even then, you're not able to get rid of these square sides, right? Which, it's annoying, but it is what it is at the end of the day. You know, I'm probably going to stick with Square Launcher on my Z Fold 5, because Z Fold 5 is actually not bad with Square Launcher. But on the Pixel Fold, I'm probably going to stick, right now at least, with Launcher 10. Launcher 10 just is so much better in my opinion when it comes to this, like, setup here. But let me go to, about to block my screen here. I think, yeah, it's going to say my name. And applications, let me go ahead and change this up real fast. Default applications, you guys are new. All you do is go to default applications, default applications, and then you can select your launcher. And this is probably where I'm going to be sticking for right now with the Google Pixel Fold. I cannot see myself getting to, you know, Launcher 10. Sorry, not Launcher 10, the Square Launcher yet for the Google Pixel Fold. I'll try it out and keep using it on this phone, the Z Fold 5. I can't do it on the Google Pixel Fold yet. I'm light years away from fully committing to going to that launcher, but we're going to be trying out some other launchers on the channel, so make sure you stay tuned, guys, and tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, there we go. Launcher 10. Peace out.